Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Life. We are finally starting to demo the whole shop area. First, we're gonna clean all this stuff out, and to begin with that, we're gonna take out this raggedy old washer and dryer, put it in the box truck so we can throw it away. Junior's shy. To start off this whole demo, we decided to take out the washer and dryer that were left behind by the previous owner. So the previous owner had taken out this section of the shop or closed it off. That way the tenant for the apartment upstairs, they can use that as their laundry area. That's why there's a washer and dryer hooked up in the shop. But yeah, I mean, the washer and dryer has seen better days. They're all rusted and all that. So we just took it right into the box truck so that way we can just take it to the dump.
No wonder water's coming in. Look at
That's what I was talking about.
big hole. There's mold everywhere.
So many acorns. Look at squirrels.
With the washer and dryer out of the way, you can really see how dirty and how all this space has deteriorated over the years. A lot of people had wondered, or were suggesting to us that wall might be load bearing, the one that we're taking the drywall off of right now. Main reason we're even taking it out is because the previous owner told us that he had put that up as an afterthought to separate the whole space. So we knew it wasn't load bearing, and we wanted to get rid of all this drywall because all that water that had just been leaking in had pretty much molded all the drywall up, and it really smelled really bad. So we decided to just take all this drywall off. That way it'll make it a lot easier for us to, remove the entire wall. Now, in order to remove the wall, we definitely had to take off these shelves, and let me tell you, they were very sturdy. I was surprised on how well they were built together. I really wonder how long it must have taken them to put all these shelves up. I mean, it took us quite a while just to take them down, so it must have taken them a lot longer to put them up. But yeah, I mean, the shelves, they're actually not bad at all, but for us, in order to take the wall down, we couldn't really keep them, and we didn't want to relocate them because we have a lot of metal shelves, because if we were going to reuse them, we would have taken them out with a little bit more care. But even then, I mean, we got them off, and we got the whole top section off as well. That way we can start taking out the rest of the drywall and continue on with this demo.
So it's the next day and we have a tornado watch, and this happened.
Yeah, it's flooding in here, all because this corner is pretty much missing. It's just rotted out, and the main reason that is there's a tree on the other side of this that's been growing for, who knows, 30, 40 years, and it's lifted up the whole sidewalk that's on the side of the building. So all the water is just coming to right on this corner. This whole section is rotted, all the plywood is rotted. You can see from right here it's missing. All of that is just rotted out completely. So I can move it. You see how much it moves? And that's where all this water's coming from.
It's all over here, and it gets worse. In the shop, there's a whole puddle.
And I think we made the problem worse when we started taking out all that drywall yesterday. And that's probably why it's worse. This is probably the worst it's been. And also the tornado watch doesn't help. It's just raining like crazy right now. Because I even lifted that door up a little bit in that corner. That way that water has somewhere to escape. We'll see if that actually helps. Man, oh man. Now we're actually on the other side of this wall, and once again, we've got a bunch of built-ins. These built-ins were just as well put together as the other ones, and these were definitely useless for us. Even if we wanted to save them, I couldn't really think of a use for them. So we just went to town, started taking everything off. There was a lot of crap and a lot of fittings, because the guy that used to be here, he used to do a lot of pipe work. So there's a lot of little pipe fittings, cast iron, and stuff that is not really used that much anymore, at least for residential applications. So there was no need for any of this stuff, so we just decided to just throw it all away. And I mean, we tried to take it off so that we can use some of the wood if we really wanted to, and we didn't really want to hurt ourselves either. And they were really, really well put together with a bunch of nails. I wish they were screwed in so we could take the screws off, but with all the nails, I mean, you really don't have an option but to just pry it off. So we had Selena's brother and his girlfriend also helping us to beat all of these shelves and cabinets off of the walls. And if it wasn't for them, I mean, it would have been a lot more difficult for us, just me and Selena, to take them out. But as you can see, we just started taking them out as one whole piece, and we got all of them taken care of.
Let's see what this back up. It's coming, it's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Why wouldn't you catch it?
It's all good.
Here it goes. Be careful not stepping up. Wait. It's literally 1 more inch. Not even an inch. Centimeter, go. Go.
Go for it, here. Alright,
You're
we're good.
pussy. Babe, careful, there's glass, bruh. It's alright.
Here. None of these are supported.
Sort of quick.
I gotta
Be
cut
the
this.
crooked man.
Is there any cutters anywhere?
Where's your teeth are crooked?
Funny, you licked your teeth after you said that.
Shut up, bitch. The only crooked about my face is my eyes.
Watch out for that drywall.
Okay. It's so much.
Keep going, keep going.
I don't want to go.
You won't.
Hell no. Fuck that. Hell no.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. I got a loose for you.
Then it's me.
Watch out for that garlic when I hit you in the head.
I hope it does.
You gotta come with me, sir. You're under arrest.
Oh,
Big ass head.
Turn it that way. There you go.
Come with me. Come with me.
This is not how you're supposed to take it down. But
It's a swing, right?
No.
you're gonna bust your ass on those nails on the floor.
You got an indoor swing.
It's really on this. Twist it, like twist it.
I can't even turn it. I'm gonna pass it to you.
Bruh.
Selena!
Feel that fucking butt. No.
Oh, that's how you.
With that bug running through.
Where? Ooh, why do you let me do that? This shit nasty.
Don't breathe that shit in, that's not good for you.
Look, I see all the little gases coming out of it.
I told you it's a swing.
Don't break the other one.
Selena, you laugh like this? Yeah, I think we should clean that up first.
Yeah. Damn, it looks so much bigger already. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this whole demo. It really smells like mold and mildew in here. As you guys saw, our shop is flooding while it's still raining. But we're gonna take care of this. Next video, we're gonna still tear down the rest of that wall, and then we'll finally start cleaning it up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.